All right, good morning, everybody. I am back out again on the P-16 at Aurora Reservoir. It's November 13th and 71 degrees today. And the wind's supposed to be gusting to 17. So once again, I'm sailing mainsail only, just in case there's a bunch of wind. But right now, it's really, really light. So we'll see what develops. It was gusting pretty good when I was setting up. So we'll see how it goes today. But yeah, like I said, I'm just being cautious and sailing just with the mainsail just in case it gets really windy. I don't have hiking straps on this boat. And since I'm by myself, I'm limited in how much human ballast I have. So there's really two kayaks and 3 boats on the entire reservoir right now. So pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, well, I'll keep you updated as things go. Okay, well, it's 12:30 and it's supposed to be peak wind right now. So gusting to 17 and no, not so much. The lake's actually starting to look pretty flat and the wind's extremely light. There's ducks that are swimming faster than I'm moving. So, yeah. Oh well. You know, that's how it is out here. The forecasts are not great. You can see the wind starting to fill in again. Uh-oh. Just like that. Oh, man. Seriously? Oh, just like that. Wow. I don't think I'm moving. I am not moving. Wow. So I'm not moving. I'm just getting hit by the leftover waves. The wind has shifted, I think, to the east, northeast maybe. So I got a really nice burst of wind and lasted about 10 minutes maybe. And then now it's just kind of died. I can see the lake flattening out. There's just a few little ripples on the water. So I am still moving, and I'm heading back to the boat ramp. So I'm hoping I can sail all the way in and not have to motor, but whatever. It's fine. Still a good day of sailing. You know, the wind, it wasn't what I was expecting. It wasn't what was forecast. Even the guy at the boat ramp, you know, the boat inspector, he said he saw that it was supposed to be gusting to 20. And yeah, I think probably the biggest gust we got was 9 or 10. So, you know, still a nice day. I mean, it's 72 degrees, beautiful blue skies. I'm on the lake. I'm in a boat. I can't complain. So, yeah, I'm happy to get another sail in, especially this late in November. That's very unusual. All right, well, as always, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.